Vamos a dejarla a 060. 060. Wrap
Very nice, very nice.
I'll leave it like this for you check to match the color.
Oh my god. Sean, let me show you something.
Yeah. Yeah, no problem.
Lo tuvimos que cortar porque la llanta pegaba aquí. Ok, lo tuvimos que cortar y luego instalar la orilla. Se hizo lo mismo que se hizo allá, se cortó y luego se volvió a pegar la orilla nada más. Y le quitamos la parte que nos estorbaba porque la llanta pega aquí. Hacia adelante para que no pegue, porque ahí nosotros está medio puesto. Armarlo, se le pone algo ahí para jalarlo un poquito.
No, pero nada más la pongo aquí, ¿no? Y le traigo esto en el cuarto. Ahí está todo. Ahí la dejo, ¿no? Sí, es todo.
Y cuando giras la suspensión baja, entonces cuando pega.
Y por eso tiene el ese quemón ahí en la tubería, ¿no?
Ahí no pega.
A ver si cuando brinco, no se ve que
No. Pero ahí sí, mira, ahí sí.
¿Está pegando?
Ahí pega.
¿En la manguera?
En el bumper.
¿Bumper?
Sí, porque va para atrás. Cuando le da para adelante no pega.
¿Cómo se avienta la...?
Como que la suspensión
Avienta
cede un poquito y baja la carrocería.
¿Así le puedes hacer un poquito para adelante para que no roce? Con eso.
Y cuando lo cortamos quedaba separado, y ahorita como está el carro haciendo presión para atrás, la carrocería baja, entonces pega el bumper en sí. Entonces se va a tener que ajustar un poco más para hacer esto, para que ya no pegue.
Cuando mueves la camioneta hacia atrás, es muy ligero el movimiento que hace hacia adelante y llega a tocar el bumper, a tocarlo, porque el corte ya está, lo hicimos para parado. Cuando está parado da la circunferencia acá, no llega a topar casi nada. El efecto es cuando avienta la otra capa adelante, esto se detiene un poquito y se adelanta. Y es lo que le toca aquí al bumper, pero es casi nada.
¿Y cómo lo van a arreglar?
Ahorita está sobrepuesto, nada más lo pusimos para medirlo bien. Ya que los tornillos y todo eso lo podemos dar un poquito más para adelante. Si puedes ver, se va a hacer esta curvita nada más. Porque nada más está sobrepuesto, está como caído. ¿Sí lo ves? Ese pequeño juego que tiene ahí es lo que ya nos roza la llanta.
Instalarlo para llevar lo que le pongan en el tap, y luego lo vamos a desmontar para poner los griles. Nomás es para que lo lleguen a poner en el tap. instalado. Solo cuando lo traigan para atrás ya se ajusta bien para que quede ya en su lugar. Nomás este provisional, solamente para que le pongan el wrap.
¿Vamos a ir en tu carro o vamos en la mía?
Lo que sea.
No, pues tú dime. No creo que me vayas a cobrar la gasolina, güey. Está cabrón.
Te cobran café y tacos.
Oye, tacos. Vamos a dejarla porque la van a hacer wrap. Le van a hacer wrap a la parte de enfrente. Vamos a dejarla. Vamos con la tip. Es 060. 060.
That's the Jaguar, remember?
Oh,
See a Jaguar? Yeah.
Remember the Jaguar guys, the white, you changed the rear bumper, no, front bumper?
We changed,
No,
we wrapped
rear-
the back
rear
bumper.
bumper, right?
Yep. So now it's getting a full.
And they changed it, put it right.
And yeah, the color of the wrap is called billionaire green. So yeah, so from you it came straight to us.
I like it.
It really stands out.
So you
And
put
then
it
we
in
are
the
also,
middle?
yeah, we're gonna give it some copper chrome accents.
Good. Nice.
I like this green. Like only it can pull off on the Jaguar.
Yeah.
Like other cars, it's probably not gonna look this good. As
And
the
that one
Jaguar.
just looks good.
Hmm?
And this
On
Jaguar.
this car, yes, it looks very good.
You see the color? You didn't see like wrap. It's like a plane.
Yep. You can almost.
No.
Very nice. Just makes
And
it easy.
I don't put this parts because you wrap it
Very
real good.
nice, very
you
nice,
finish,
very nice.
I put
Thank
it
you
back.
so much.
Lights and everything. So
Thank you so
I leave
much.
it like this for you check to match the color.
Oh, perfect. This makes my life more easy. Thank you. How does it drive? It drives good. Perfect. Okay. Oh, very nice.
A
I'm
little
glad.
bit like shaking for the tires, but
No,
it's a
I think
little.
it's the tires.
It's
It's
the
the,
tires,
wheels
yeah.
also. Like he hit the other wheels.
Yep.
Where's the new wheel that we?
That
This one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And look, the other bumper, he cut like I mean, it cut like bad, all right? But,
Oh, this is a new bumper.
yes.
Oh.
Look at this. You see? He cut and he put it back the line, this line. I cut it in and
Let me call my guy.
And I-
Sean, come here. Let me show you something.
That one again?
But it's a brand new bumper.
it's brand new bumper.
Oh,
And he did not put the grills or anything, so it's easier for you to go ahead. Come
Oh,
over
I
here.
appreciate
Yeah,
that.
come over here. You see how we just cut the bumper, like just roughly over here?
You have to go in.
Yeah, they cut it and they also molded and put more of the, like they put it back like original bumper.
Put it back like original. You can see the cut, you know? You can see the back.
Yeah. So this is a professional body shop doing it.
That's easy money for them.
Yeah, I'm gonna redo the back fender too, just
Yeah.
because that looks
Great. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, whatever you do. You know what? I think I think you will clear that.
re-clear them.
Yeah, because I think it looks like, I mean, it's not in the estimate, but I redo. I mean,
Okay,
I don't
yeah,
like
yeah.
to look like, so
Yeah,
I'll redo.
Okay, perfect.
Wow.
Yeah, that'll be really.
Yeah, and I mean, the customer is real happy.
Yeah.
But almost done. When you finish, take it back.
We are gonna try to finish it as soon as possible.
I'll reach you to clear the hood.
Yeah,
And that's it.
that's it. Yes, sir.
I saw.
The bumper, the way it was cut out was really nicely, because we were the ones who actually did this build initially, and we just cut the bumper. The way it's molded and whatnot is really nice. Shows that the amount of work and the effort that they took to make it look at like factory. Really hats off to Augustine and Exclusive for doing such a great job on that. Like those are like the small details. Nobody even goes behind the fender and look, but it's the pros who have to go in there and look at it, and it can tell that this is like a different level of professional work.
What are you guys going to be wrapping on this thing?
So we are just gonna go ahead and do the front bumper. We are gonna do the same color. We have the material, so we are gonna go ahead and wrap it, and then we are also gonna have like a line which goes over here all the way to the bottom. We are gonna go ahead and do these two fenders. We're also gonna go ahead and redo the back two ones just because it looks bad. So we are gonna go ahead and do it for the customer to make sure he's happy, because at the end of the day, it's the customer who is, it's a $250,000-$300,000 truck at this point, so he has to not look bad.
¿Qué le hicieron a esta troca en tu shop?
En esta llegó chocada del lado izquierdo. So, le reemplazamos el ring, le hicieron panecoring al ring y le cambiamos el front bumper. Todo el front bumper es nuevo. Le hicimos ahí un detalle que siempre me gusta dejarlos perfectos. No me gusta que se vea el corte. So, básicamente corto y le vuelvo a pegar la pieza para que se vea como que es original, como que no hubo un corte, pero le cortamos para que no peguen las llantas, porque son muy grandes, las llantas son muy grandes. O sea, al tiempo de dar vuelta, pega. Entonces le hicimos el corte bien y ahorita la trajimos aquí con Atif. Atif le va a hacer el wrap y no me gusta cómo se ve el scoop. Lo voy a arreglar, el cliente no me está pagando por eso, yo lo estoy haciendo porque no se ve bien. Es una troca cara, una camioneta muy cara que prefiero que se vea bien. Y yo creo que el cliente se va a ir satisfecho con esto. So, vamos a que Atif termine, nos la entrega y nosotros le vamos a volver a hacer ese detalle y ya se va. Listo.
Unfortunately, the axle fell off this truck. We did work on the other side and then this side. It has a lift kit, so the customer bought the truck like that with the lift kit, and he's been having problems with it since he bought it. So we already fixed one side. Now he's having issues with the other side. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do with it. It's unfortunate. Some people, it's a really pretty truck, but I mean these trucks, you gotta build them right, and parts for these are not cheap. You know, the guy, he already put some big money on the other side. Now it's this side. We'll see what happens. So we do the suspension here. So we're gonna put it up in the lift, make sure to see what's wrong with it. Axle for sure, and then what else is wrong. We're gonna check the whole suspension, because he just brought it from one side. He's like, check that side, make sure everything is good, and we did. But now he's having problems with the other side. Today is January 11th. We're gonna check it probably tomorrow. We're gonna check it tomorrow because today we're pretty busy right now. So we'll check it tomorrow. But yeah, that's it. that sound, huh? Wow.